Ringkat kapang pedang ban wanra ka jingi trailang ha pedang ki khana ki bapule bat sha hikai ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong kala penlong yi program baper hak ar tarik unok pra arjar ar kum ka jing rakhi lupa ya ka Christmas. Ya kani ka jing rakhi la yishim bantashit ham da barok ki no hikai ki khana school na ki tanat sha hikai baper jong ka Don Bosco Technical School ha ringkat ka jing lambat ka jing penyat ki bor badai pet ki khana pule bat basha hikai ki lapen i la ki sap ki phong da ka bayas nok ti lang da ki no hikai bat ki khana na ki tanat pule jong ka tailoring embroidery fashion designing bat beautician ki balapen wandor bat pen shit da ka jing yat pen idor bhabri ha ka ransan balapen bet pen biang da ki khana pule jong ka tanat pule carpentry bat welder.
Diabolique, le divin.
diabolique.
Haprang jingalang rakhi lapan ko buram ru dau Father Saji Stephen Rector ka DBTS yo Father James Terniang ubolong principal berem jongkanik school baru bolong ru unong Krishan barat ba haringkat ka jingadon lang principal Father Arcadius Puwen bat kiwei.
The former principal of Don Bosco Technical School. So welcome, Father, and we are proud of you. Many of the equipment and tools that we get this time is because of the hard work of Father James and the staff from BITS. So once more, shall we give him a round of applause?
Hakane ki jing rakhi ki khna puli ki lapan phu pen phieng da ka ba ai ki jing roi ki jing shat kum jo ru na kalyang ki nong hikai.
When I need motivation, my one solution is my queen, cause she stays strong. Yeah, yeah. She is always in my corner, right there when I wanna. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. And they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. In a world full of chaos and fighting, and everywhere you see war, fire, destruction, wouldn't you like for Christmas to be a time of peace, a time of family, a time of celebration? And for that, we'll be singing a song titled Someday at Christmas. Please enjoy. Someday at Christmas, men won't be boys, playing with bombs like kids play with toys. One warm December, our hearts will see a world where men are free. Say goodbye. It seems to make me want to cry. I'll figure out what comes next. I'll find the peace within myself, and I know this is the end for me. I have completed my journey, but I know I'll always have you in my heart. Oh, my heart. I've seen the world through your eyes. I've watched my hopes and dreams come alive when I was with you. And now I bid adieu.
It's the cloud up me now. When I stress like a drum, beat it loud and bring the way to cut it. When it all seems like fun, sing along throughout more until that feeling with just getting started.
When the lights get colder and the rhythm starts to fall behind, just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye. Then you say, I wanna dance with you. This got me going. Nothing that can stop us moving. Let's take a rest, just like the cold, rolling like a
pajijar im khem tik sok ha bangi imenta dei hagan ne kajok pe kala kala roi sa upun dia wa bangai imenta ba butan gi skill balik ni dak dak gi bisti kat syaba bai mat om dan jingelan berju gue jumpa ban lela dei ki pla ku no o u ka ya ngau pen mala Masa berkeliling baka jauh play nyim ni wana nyim khen bad yau play abali kum ne sha kum ne kawan berjamar wenga shulung aban yo ya kan jumpa mentangin ya teliban berbaya la keringin de dongin bisninya de benteli bersaka wengi om kum si parangin lam angka jengin pumi kan setakan tersisi
Everybody up! Please! Come on! Feliz Navidad! Come on, everybody, at least wave your hands! Feliz Navidad! Prospero año felicidad! Feliz Navidad! Feliz Navidad! Feliz Navidad, prospero año, felicidad. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry